I want you to be desired. I want you to be so irresistible, women can't keep their paws off of you, bro. And to do that, here are 6 tricks anybody can deploy to become that man. Let's hop into this. Number 1, I want you to have genuine intrigue. This is simple. Again, anybody can do this. See, when you're in conversation with somebody, I want you to be genuinely intrigued with that person. I don't want you to be in your thoughts. I don't want you to be everywhere else. I want you to be here, present, and really take interest in them. See, when you start asking those questions and they get deeper and more emotional, that's when you start building this incredible bond that when you disconnect and leave that conversation, all that girl will be thinking about is, man, that's a great guy. Man, I feel like I really connected with that guy. She didn't connect with you, bro. She spent the whole time talking, but that's why people love when there's genuine interest. Bro, number 2, increased gratitude. See, this is because a grateful person is a positive one. And in today's society, most people are negative, right? Most people are sour about everything. You're sour about COVID. You're sour about politics. You're sour about this. You're sour about that. But when you can have a grateful person, a person that always sees the positive in everything, that they're grateful for everything that they have, it's like this positive, motivating energy where all you want to do is be around that one person because your life is filled with so much other negativity. Number 3, an increased self-perception. This is powerful. In other words, I want you to view yourself as the prize. I want you to view yourself as a rare collectible. See, what happens if you just bought yourself a Ferrari or a Lamborghini? Bro, you would baby that thing. That would be your baby, right? That's how you should see yourself, right? You should invest all the time into yourself, into your health, into how you eat, into the gym, and more importantly, into how you look. Your look sends a powerful message that you can control. And the crazy part is that when it comes to leveling up your style and looking or dressing better, you don't need an entire wardrobe, bro. You don't need to redesign everything. You just need a few key pieces to start sparking up that fire in your wardrobe so you start looking better. And I've always said this, the best accessory a man can have, a pair of glasses. A pair of glasses is game-changing. A pair of glasses will make you dress better. Unlike any other accessory, glasses not only have functionality, not only level up your style, but they also, out of every accessory, are the ones that can make you look the most attractive. Think about it. When you throw on glasses, you're hiding imperfections while also adding symmetry to your face. Name me another accessory that can do that. I can sit here and wait. You can't, bro. And now I want you to name me the best brand that can deliver that at the best price. And you already know. It's Jade Black. Come on, it's Jade Black. You knew that, right? It's my own brand. Obviously, I'm going to say Jade Black. Bro, think about it. We are using the same materials that designer brands are using. I'm telling you that the same eyewear that costs $300, $400, $500, the materials that they use, we are using in our materials, and I know this because we're using the same factory, and I know who our factory sources to. And let's just say those $500 glasses, I'm selling them to you for $50. That's how insane their markups are, and that's how affordably I want to bring them to you. See, I want to make glasses affordable because I know just how powerful glasses can be. It is the most important accessory a man can have, and I want you to get that at the lowest price possible with an accessory you're proud of, an accessory that will last you years. And the beauty of it is, you can buy yourself 3, 4 pairs of glasses from Jade Black, and it's still cheaper than 1 pair of designer. If you guys want to check out Jade Black, I'm going to have it linked down below. Go through the entire selection, pick up 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs, and the great part is that with Jade Black here in the US, we do free shipping and free returns. If you guys want to check it out, click the link down below. Number 4, you have unique passions. Let me explain. I want your passions to be a reflection of your personality. I feel like everybody today is either into crypto or NFTs. If you talk off another girl's ear about your NFT, I swear to God, that girl's probably going to walk off that dinner table and leave. In other words, I want your passion not to be determined by whatever trend is in society. I want it to genuinely be something that you're interested in, something that's unique to you and your personality. That's what's interesting. That makes you captivating. Number 5, subtle physical touch. Powerful. Powerful. See, when you're with a person, with a woman, right, and you're trying to increase that sexual tension with her, if you don't break that touch barrier, that's where you're leaving it. That's it. It's over. But when that conversation is flowing, you're getting closer and closer. I want you to just subtly touch her shoulder, her arm, her thigh, the lower portion of her back. That subtle touch will send chills down that girl's spine and make you irresistible. Finally, number 6, scent is key. See, most of you don't know this, but there are certain scents that are aphrodisiacs. These scents are scents that get the blood pumping in women, that make them feel excited, exhilarated. And because you're the one making her feel that way, it makes you, therefore, irresistible. Some of these scents, by the way, these are scientifically backed. Lavender, pumpkin, vanilla, peppermint, ginger, cinnamon. These scents, you can find them in fragrances. Once you apply them, you become that irresistible magnet that any girl you interact with, forget about it, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our Jade Black glasses. If you guys want to pick up a pair, they'll be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.